Sissy, wake up. Wake up. Hey. Hey. Tickle, tickle. We got call Angie's. Come on. Go wake up. Wake up, pretty girl. No. Oh, look at them pretty lips. Wake up. Oh, stretch. Oh, you were drooling. Oh, look at all that drool. Tickle, 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 tickle. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, 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 oh. That's one big stretch. Nope, not waking up. Ashlyn. Ashlyn. With the Hurricane Milton coming in, our local gas stations in my small itty bitty town are running out of gas. So I had to take a lunch break to go get gas. So the Chick-fil-A truck is in our town. So I stopped and got Chick-fil-A for me and a coworker. So back to work we go. Okay, so my work day's over. So now to go pick up the girls from the sitter and my oldest daughter Ari from school, and it's cheer day, so off to cheer. She said nuh-uh. So we made it to cheer. So what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do, girls? Get a Lunchable, okay. Ashlyn, do you care what we do? Huh? She just wants to get out of her car seat. So the cheer gym my daughter cheers at doesn't have a an area for us to sit, which is fine with these two. I probably wouldn't want to sit in the gym now at all because I'd be chasing this one. At times they will send us like a text message, hey, y'all can come in to watch a full out and things like that. Tumble class, for the most part, we can sit in tumble class. Mama, you want mommy to get you out?
And I need to go pee.
And you need to go to the bathroom. So we usually sit in the parking lot and hang out for a little while. Then we'll have to take bathroom breaks. Sometimes we go to Walmart. But looks like we're going in the store. Mama. All right, let's go into the stores. Well, running into the stores didn't go as we planned. So we are just chilling in the car. The girls are being a little wild because we usually, like I said, try to kill some time in the stores. One of the stores is closed and I don't feel like buckling them back up to drive to another little shopping center. So we're just gonna sit here for the next, we only got about 40 minutes left. So, yep, cheer life. Oh, like I said, I'm not mad that they don't have a area to observe, but there's like when all the stores are closed and things like that, I wish there was something. But there's cheer gyms all the way across the state of Florida and the nation that don't allow parents to go in there because it's distracting to the athletes. So I get it, but
The baby wants something. Okay, he wants it. Baby wants. Just get out the way.
so we're done with cheer. Ari,
Yes, ma'am.
say hi. So back to our hometown. You helping Daddy?